Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we'll be unboxing the Amazon professional tripod, which is 63 inches, and it can also be converted into a monopod. So let's get it started. If you're viewing this for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, as this will help us a lot, and you can also be updated. So without further ado, let's get it started. So I have the basic tripod here. So this is a travel tripod. So it needs to be, travel tripods are usually compact and easy to carry, making it really easy for traveling as well. So that is the main reason why I got this tripod, and it also converts into a monopod, like I said earlier. So let's get it opening. So well, just an empty box and a case in it. Now, the case looks real good. I think it's a real sturdy material. Now, something else about this tripod as well. So here we have the documentation for the tripod, which has everything from A to Z in all these languages. There's a documentation in all those languages for this tripod. That is that. And here we have the tripod itself, which we will leave it to the side. And we have a belt to carry this tripod case along with us. So we'll put this away for now. This is not the main importance. And we have the tripod with us. So this tripod looks real sturdy. So when you extend all these legs from the tripod, this goes about to 63 inches long. How cool can that get? So let's test it out. So the way you retract all these legs is by unscrewing these shafts, and then they come as long as they want. So the material is real sturdy and real nice to look at as well. And the head, the tripod head, all this is real nice. Look at this build. Should put in a museum rather than being selling it here. So this, like I said earlier, this is a little expensive tripod. This is like a professional tripod that can carry like a real 4 kilos of DSLR and lenses with it. So this is like a real professional tripod, and there are many features to this tripod. Like, so here you see there's this lock and unlock, which is not there in any other leg. Now this lock and unlock is one, like earlier I said, there's one feature to this tripod that makes it different from other tripods. You can unscrew this and use it as a monopod. So you unscrew this and look at this. You can basically connect your camera to this, or you can take this, the ball head here, and connect that to the monopod as well. You know what, let me just show you that. So unscrew it like this, and then just screw it in like this. So there you have a monopod, which can also transform into a selfie stick if you're like me. Now moving on, the legs. Now the legs are made a little differently from the other, which is usual in the professional tripod segment. Now to extend these legs, you just need to release these levers. Look at that. And then do that again. Not too much, just a little. And then the last. So this is a tall. Look at this. I'm taller than this, but this is so tall that you could get that nice action nice gimbal action or something like you're looking for, and probably even get like a nice selfie from here like this. I don't know, what are you guys coming up with in your mind? You could do all of that on this thing. Now the other feature to this tripod is, hang on a second. Now the other feature to this tripod is that if you do not want the ball head to be straight here, you can have it inverted, and you can have the camera mounted here. So you know what, let's just give you a demo of that as well. So this lever here helps us so if you unscrew this, you basically get more control of the middle part. So let's just give some breathing space here, like so. If you unscrew this, you can basically give some breathing space to this one, and then you need to unscrew this as well. There's this lever to hold weights when your camera is too heavy for the lever to hold some weights. So they have this lever here which you can easily unscrew. So sometimes when you're carrying like a real heavy camera, like there are few lenses that which are used for wildlife photography, like this one. So it's up on the screen here, which weigh about 5 or 6 kilos just of that, and then you attach that to a 1DX, that's Canon's highest still photo camera, which costs roughly about 4 to 5 lakhs, and that roughly, I say roughly for that reason, which another weighs around another 3.5 kilos. So that's gonna be a real heavy tripod. So during that time, you would require something where you can balance off weights of this lever here from tripods like this, and where you connect the tripod to the lens rather than the camera to the lens, because the lens is so heavy that the camera will not be able to bear it. Many times the housing which the lens is on breaks. That's the hard part of owning cameras. Basically you just put this in through, back again, and now you have an inverted tripod. How cool is that? You can mount your camera here, and you could shoot inverted rather than when there's heavy winds and so on and so forth. You can mount the camera inverted and you can shoot then. That's amazing. So that's it for today's video on the tripod. I hope you liked it. If you do like it, don't forget to leave a like right below as well. If you do like this video, like my previous videos which are linked here and here, and you can always subscribe down there. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, see you guys soon.